Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Baratza Encore ESP represents a significant evolution in the world of entry-level coffee grinding. For years, the original Encore was widely considered the gold standard for home brewers who focused primarily on manual methods like pour-over or French press. However, as the interest in home espresso grew, many users found that the original model lacked the fine control necessary to properly dial in a shot. This is where the ESP model enters the conversation. It is a specialized version of a classic machine designed to bridge the gap between affordable consumer gear and high-end professional equipment. At a price point of approximately $200, it offers a solution for those who want one machine that can handle everything from a coarse cold brew to a fine pressurized or non-pressurized espresso shot. It maintains the approachable nature of its predecessor while introducing internal mechanics that cater to the more demanding requirements of espresso extraction. This grinder is often highlighted by professional organizations like the Specialty Coffee Association because it brings a level of precision to the home kitchen that was previously difficult to find without spending significantly more money. In terms of build and design, the Encore ESP maintains the familiar compact silhouette that has made Baratza a staple in many kitchens. It features a sturdy plastic housing in a matte black finish which is designed to be both durable and easy to clean. The footprint is relatively small, making it a practical choice for those with limited counter space. Inside the machine is where the most important design choices are found. It utilizes 40mm conical steel burrs, specifically the M2 burrs, which were previously an upgrade part for the original Encore. These burrs are known for their ability to produce a more consistent and uniform grind, which is the foundation of a good cup of coffee. The hopper on top can hold about 8 ounces of whole beans and the adjustment ring is located just below it. One of the most thoughtful design additions is the inclusion of a 54mm dosing cup along with a 58mm adapter ring. This allows users to grind directly into the cup and then easily transfer the grounds into a portafilter, which minimizes mess and improves the workflow for espresso preparation. The internal components are also designed with repairability in mind. Baratza has a long-standing reputation for providing replacement parts and detailed guides so that if a component wears out over time, the entire unit does not need to be replaced. The performance of the Encore ESP is defined by its unique dual-range adjustment system. This system provides 40 distinct grind settings, but they are not spaced out evenly. Instead, the first 20 settings are dedicated to espresso. These are micro-adjustments where each click moves the burrs by a very small amount. This level of granularity is vital for espresso because even a tiny change in particle size can significantly alter the flow rate and the final taste of the shot. When the adjustment ring moves past setting 20, it enters the macro range. From 21 to 40, the steps between settings become much larger, which is ideal for filter coffee methods. This matters because it allows a user to quickly jump from a fine espresso setting to a medium setting for a drip brewer without having to rotate the collar through dozens of unnecessary clicks. The motor is a high-torque DC motor that turns the burrs slowly. This slow rotation is intentional as it prevents the beans from heating up during the grinding process. Excessive heat can dull the delicate aromatic compounds in the coffee, so keeping the temperature low helps preserve the intended flavor profile of the beans. By providing a uniform particle size across both the fine and coarse ends of the spectrum, the machine ensures that the water can extract flavor evenly, which prevents the bitterness or sourness often associated with inconsistent grinds. This grinder is best suited for the home coffee enthusiast who is looking for versatility and longevity. It is an excellent choice for someone who is just starting their journey into home espresso but does not want to give up their daily pour-over or automatic drip coffee. Because it can handle both tasks effectively, it eliminates the need to own 2 separate specialized grinders, which saves both money and space. It also appeals to the consumer who values sustainability and maintenance. In a world of disposable appliances, the ability to take this machine apart and replace a specific gear or burr set makes it a long-term investment rather than a temporary purchase. It is also well suited for those who prefer a straightforward tactile experience. There are no complicated digital screens or programmable timers to navigate. Instead, there is a simple on and off switch on the side and a pulse button on the front. This simplicity makes it accessible to beginners, while the quality of the grind satisfies the requirements of more experienced hobbyists who are focused on the technical aspects of extraction. When considering the Baratza Encore ESP as a whole, it is clear that it offers a balanced approach to home coffee preparation. It provides a significant performance floor for espresso without sacrificing the ease of use required for other brewing methods. While it may not have the silent operation or the ultra-premium metal construction of grinders that cost 3 or 4 times as much, it succeeds in delivering professional-grade results to a much wider audience. It is a workhorse designed for daily use, and its reputation is built on a foundation of reliability and grind quality. For roughly $200, it represents a practical middle ground in the market. It is a tool that respects the complexity of coffee science while remaining simple enough for the average person to use every morning. Whether the goal is a perfectly balanced espresso shot or a clean, bright cup of pour over, this machine provides the necessary control to achieve those results consistently. It stands as a testament to the idea that high-quality coffee should be accessible and that the right equipment can make a meaningful difference in the daily ritual of brewing at home. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.